Hey, Sans!
What's up?
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
No.
Hello, you awesome people and you awesome YouTubers. This is Flying Dark Cloud 101. And, the reason why I am doing this is just to give you guys a little bit of update on what has been going on. Well, as you can see, you just saw this 11-second video, and I know, guys, I told you in February I was gonna start doing some different stuff on my YouTube channel. Well, yeah, and I said it was a surprise and all that. Don't worry, I didn't forget about it. I'm still gonna do it. Just to be honest, I don't know when I'm gonna do it. You know, I just don't know when. It could be any around in the month. It might even be the last day of the month. I don't know when. So, yeah, I don't know when. Just to give you guys a little update on this. And I'm sorry have I been taking a little bit longer on these animations coming out. Because, well, it's hard to explain. It's really hard to bring these animations out. Just, you know, got colorman, all that stuff. And I'm gonna kind of just take a little bit of a break, just a little bit of a break on drawing, because, no joke, my hands are actually kind of a little bit bruised up, because they're working my hands a little bit much, if you know what I'm saying. Well, just want to give you guys a little bit of an update on this. Well, that is about right there, folks. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like on this video and share with your friends. And please leave a comment down below, tell me what you think. And please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my